So here in this problem, we need to solve the triangle with the following dimension. Measure of side A is 5 units, measure of side B, that is 7 units, and sine of the angle A, that's 3 over 4. Let us do one thing. Let's construct a triangle ABC. Now for this triangle, we consider the angle A. The side opposite to it is BC. We're going to denote it by the letter A in lowercase. That has got a measure of 5 units. Then the side that is opposite angle B, which is AC, will be denoted by the letter B in lowercase. That has a measure of 7 units. And then we have the sine of angle A, that's given as 3 over 4. We'll come to that. The side opposite to angle C is going to be denoted by C in lowercase as well. Now, what we'll do here, we have here given the side A and the side B and the angle that is opposite to one of the side. That means the angle A is opposite to the side A that is given to us. So for this particular case, in order to solve this triangle, first we need to check whether if A is greater than B times sine of angle A. Now that's very easy to remember. We take the side that is opposite to the given angle, so that will be the side A, and the other part will be take the side that is adjacent to the angle, which is B, and multiply it to sine of the adjacent angle, B times sine. So we need to check whether if A is greater than B times sine A or not. Now, as we can see here, that A is given that A has a measure of 5 units. B has a measure of 7 units. Multiplied to it sine of A. Sine of A is given as 3 over 4. Now, we need to check whether if 5 is greater than 7 times 3 over 4. Now, 7 times 3, that's 21. We have 21 over 4. But clearly, this is not true. 5 is not greater than 21 over 4. In fact, it is lesser than 21 over 4. Therefore, we can say that thus there will be no solution. There is no solution. There is no solution. Right. Which means actually what is happening here is that if we use this dimension, then the measure of the third side C, that becomes a complex number, which is not possible.